YouTube Short is actually gaining enough potential this year, and we all know that it's a new version of YouTube, giving creators the opportunity to upload short videos, in a portrait format with about I think 9:16 format, all right, such that the video can just be viewed by scrolling through, just the way you scroll through TikTok and Instagram Reels, even if Instagram Reels is also new, all right. But most users don't actually know how to, make a YouTube Short, all right. And in this video, I'm just going to make it detailed on how to, create YouTube Short. And the views that comes from YouTube Short is massive, like massive. All right. I've experimented some, uploaded videos with YouTube Short. All right. The views just skyrocket without any, in fact, without too much taggings. Within a very short while, within a day or two, your views can get up to 1K, even if you're less than 1K subscribers. So I think it's an opportunity for new creators to leverage on it and then start making good money from YouTube Shorts. So watch this video to the end to actually learn how to create YouTube Short, all right? And what I'm going to do right now, everything is going to be with mobile phone, all right? I'm going to do everything with my mobile phone. So be sure that you stay tuned and see how everything is being done and created. See you. So to upload to make a video for FEG, let's assume by now you already have a video. You've already customized it to be within 1 minute. All right. Okay. So now the app that you need to do this is called CapCut. All right, and it's totally free of charge. All right. I don't know about other apps, editing apps, but if you're using other editing apps, it's fine. But CapCut is what I use, and it's totally free of charge. What you just have to do is click on the video you want to let me start a new project. Click on the project you want to work on, and then let me just choose any random project. Choose the project. Now when you choose the project, now scroll to frame and choose the format. The format is 9:16, all right, and then customize your video to be within 1 minute. So you give me a few seconds. Let me just do that customization. You just cut and remove some parts that are unnecessary to make sure that it is either 1 minute or less than 1 minute. So which means that all these other parts may not be needed. All right, so the video should just be in this format. All right, so let me just do this video right now, and then we continue. At this point in this video, please, you just have to do me a favor by liking this video and subscribe. All right, so that's the only thing that you have to give to me right now. All right, so please just like the video and subscribe. You can continue now. Continue watching your video. So by this time the video is done, so I can now save it and then to my phone, and then before uploading it to YouTube. So the next thing is the upload process. So when you have done that, you have to come to your YouTube, click on YouTube right here, and then click on upload, and then upload it. All right, click on this upload here button here, and then upload it. I think I already done this upload right here. So most times when you click on upload here, say select it, tap on it. Now when you tap on it, enter the name. All right, and then when you upload it, now add the word short, hashtag short, So once you have clicked on upload, click on enter the title and add the hashtag shorts, and then both in title and description. So once you've done that, the video would go in directly into short. But even if you don't do that, so long as the video that you're uploading is within the 9:16 portrait format, and then it is less than 1 minute or 1 minute on the dot, it means that that video will automatically go into the short portion of YouTube. So that's just it. So having done this, all you just need to do next is to click on upload, and you can now go to your YouTube studio and then enter the title properly and then add tags. All right, add tags to the video. So that's just how to do this. Maybe you can as well add a thumbnail to the video, and off it goes. Your video is up and running. All right, so that's just the simple way to do this thing. All right, and you have your shot. By the time you do it correctly, you have your shot this way. All right, no, this is actually how it's placed. When you have your shot, this is actually how it play. You can see here, you can see there is a symbol below every shot here. The symbol below, there's a symbol below showing that they are short. All right, so this is how it actually plays. This is how short plays. This is how short plays. All right, so that's just. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. If you actually do this thing very well, correctly, you can actually, this is how you can now make money with uploading short videos. Now, every short video you upload, let's say you are talking about one services or the other, or one processes or the other, you include an affiliate link in the description of your video, so that whomever that video is sent to or watches that video and is interested in what is mentioned in the video, they can click on the affiliate link, buy a product or get something, or whatever service that the affiliate link offers to them, you get a commission of it. It's just as simple as that. So imagine that you have about 1,000 persons watch your video and 3% decide to take action. You have some good money, right? Or and short goes as far as possible. Your short can goes up to can get up to about 1,000, 2,000 views within 24 hours of upload. All right, that's how much some of my short has been doing. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views within 24 hours of upload. So let's say you have about 10,000 views. Some short goes even up to 1,000,000 views, depending on how interesting it is or how the viewers watch it. Because once the first set of viewers watch your video to the end and they like it, all right, YouTube will push it as far as possible. That's how YouTube algorithm literally works these days. So you get to meet a lot of person get to click on the description and check out your product and services, and then they patronize the services, and then you get a commission. So that's just how to make money uploading short video on YouTube. So like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you.